Hey TGV, I'm here with
Anthony.
Levon.
O'Malley.
Okay, Anthony, do you think that students should be allowed to eat like from the vending machines during passing periods?
Yes, because I think students get hungry.
And Levon, do your teachers let you eat in class?
My teachers don't let me in class because it's a distraction.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel like we should eat in class to fill up our stomach for more learning.
Nice idea. O'Malley, what would you do if there was no vending machines?
Well, I personally don't use the vending machines here at school, but I do buy some snacks at the stores, and I bring them to class and eat them there. So I think that's good. I would bring my own snacks.
Well, great answers, guys. Thank you for your time.
That's a tricky one. I know that I'm hungry in between classes, but as a teacher, I hate it when they're eating while I'm trying to teach. It makes me so crazy. The bag crinkles, they're chompy. The pages have orange all over them. It's so gross. So I understand being hungry, but I also get super annoyed. I would cry a lot because I love vending machines.
My name is Kareem, and yeah, I think we should be able to buy stuff from the vending machines during passing time because, you know, we all get hungry.
My name's Robert, and I think we should be able to buy snacks during class because I get hungry during class, and if I get hungry, I can't concentrate, and if I can't concentrate, then I'm gonna fail that class, and if I fail that class, I'm not gonna graduate.
Our teacher doesn't let us eat in class, but to the ones that do, shout out to them. Grinky, I know you're watching it.
Shout out to Mr. Medina from Autotech for letting me go get breakfast.
You know, probably cry because we're really hungry, and without it, we'll starve.
You know what? Actually, IDO chips about security about to be on me after this video, but you know what? Until then, hit me up, roommate 1006, advice free.
50 cents.
50 cents.
Chips.
This is all upon students' maturity. If students are mature enough to, keep their spot clean, not disrupt the class, eat and take care of themselves, that's totally fine because that's what we do at home too. So it's totally based on their maturity. We have vending machine. Why? Just because we can go and buy stuff from there. But it doesn't mean that we have to go crazy about it.
Hey.
I don't see it.
Nah, it's not on.
Hello, my name is Joanna, reporting live from DTV.
Dinner.
So do you want to say your name?
Dinner.
You want to ask them for their names?
Like.
Dinner. My name is Dragon Slayer.
School, or maybe share with my classmates if they get hungry.
Nice idea. And thank you for your time.